In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use toggles in Notion. Toggles are a simple way to keep your pages clean and focused by hiding details until you need them. They're perfect for things like FAQs, notes you don't want front and center, or steps that only matter once you're ready to dive deeper. I'll walk you through creating a toggle and placing content inside it so your workspace stays tidy and easy to scan. Start on any Notion page with an empty line selected. Type a /, then begin typing the word toggle. Notion's command menu will filter as you type, so you don't have to scroll through a long list. This is the quickest way to find exactly the block you want without breaking your writing flow. If you're new to the / command, think of it as a shortcut bar. Typing /tells Notion. You're about to insert a specific kind of block. Next, click on Toggle List from the menu. The moment you do, you'll see a small arrow appear next to a new line. That's your toggle. Give it a clear title or prompt, something like more details or key references, so you'll always remember what's tucked inside. You can click the arrow to expand or collapse the contents at any time. Collapsed toggles help your page feel lighter, while expanded toggles make it easy to focus when you're ready. Now let's place content inside the toggle. Find the text you want to tuck away, then drag and drop it onto the toggle. To do this, hover over the text block until the 6-dot handle appears on the left. Click and hold that handle. Drag toward the toggle, and when you see the blue line appear indented beneath the toggle title, release. That blue line is your visual cue that the text will live inside the toggle. Once it's nested, collapsing the toggle will hide the text, and expanding it brings everything back into view instantly. You can repeat this with additional blocks the same way, and it works with paragraphs, lists, images, or embeds. If you ever change your mind, just drag the block back out until the blue line sits flush with the left edge again. That's all there is to it. Use the / menu to find toggle, click toggle list to create it, and drag and drop any text you want inside. With just these steps, you can turn long, cluttered pages into organized, focused spaces that are easier to read and maintain.